The first thing that you need to do is to get a recording. Find one on YouTube somewhere. I like the recording on Naxos. It was the first hit for me. Just find yourself a professional recording so you can immerse yourself in the style. Right away when you listen to it, and it's a very short piece, so it won't take long for you to learn about the piece, you'll notice that it's a dance piece. So play the eighth notes short. Anytime you have a quarter note, you don't have very many of them, try to sneak a little bit of vibrato into them. Okay, at the opening, you have the pizzicato, that's piano. But I want you to skip to the pizzicato that's forte a few measures later. I'm not really playing it all that forte, but as long as the piano is softer than that, you will get the dynamic contrast and the effect that is necessary there. It is not too soft to play this soft. Because you're by yourself, playing that softly will be audible. Do not worry about it being inaudible. Next, you have the first crescendo. On an arco, I want you to think about it as a lurch. The crescendo is very, very quick, so you can't be slowed to crescendo. So you have to start it right away. So it'll kind of sound like a trombone player when they're playing really gross, but without the glissando. And same thing on the F natural to F sharp. Okay, and after that, you have that low E sharp. Make sure you come down to a piano, it's very important. And you'll notice that I have a backwards bowing here. So that puts the down bow on the accent, and it makes it very, very natural to put the down bow on the accent as a result. And you'll get the effect that is notated there. Stay away from open G strings because that will put the accent back on the odd eighth notes, and that's not what is notated. Make sure that you play the dynamic, the low B in 81, that low B, the piano. Make sure you indeed play piano even though you're ending up on a down bow. Finally, at rehearsal 6, you'll have your G, end it nice. But leave your finger there as you count the 7 measures afterwards. You have a piamoso, so count it fast. Yes, you do have to count it. It's notated. But you don't have to count it exactly. It's 7 measures. Leave your finger there so that way it'll be there for you when you come back to it for the last time. And give them a nice last impression. That's it. This is the last video of the NMEA 2020. It's been a pleasure doing these all these years. This is my 3rd year of playing on these videos. I thank you so much for listening. If you have any further questions, feel free to email me. And I commend you for auditioning and preparing. No matter the outcome, you have embarked on a journey of learning a lot, learning about yourself, learning a lot about music, and no matter the outcome, you will benefit from it. But I do hope you get in. And if you don't, not a big deal. You are on the way to something better always, no matter the outcome of any audition that you do. Good luck, and I'll see you next year.